Hello, I'm Stephen Barnes, owner of Norwest Appliance, luxury appliances and barbecue grills. Today we're going to look at one of our featured luxury appliance brands, Dacor. We're specifically going to be looking at the Induction cooktops. There's a lot of misconceptions and myths about induction cooking, and today we're going to see if we can swish away some of those myths. So Induction has some advantages over your standard cooktops. You have better controllability, better cleanability. So controllability, you have the ability to do lower simmer and also boil much quicker than standard cooktops do. Another advantage to it is cleaning. There is no heat on the surface, so cleaning is a wet paper towel for cleaning purposes. You can use any sort of pot and pan that you would like to use. The ones that work best are the ones that a magnet stick to. If you do not have pot or pan that a magnet sticks to, they do make specialized discs for that purpose. They can use any sort of pot or pan. Okay, now we're going to look at specifically the Dacor Induction cooktop. What we have here is a stainless steel magnetic pan, and we're going to go ahead and put some water in it and watch how quickly this works. I'm going to turn this thing on. We're going to go ahead and set it for the highest setting that it offers, the power boost setting. And we'll give this just a few moments to show. Here's another trick we can do. Remember I said that this has no heat on the surface. We're going to take a dollar bill and we're going to stick that underneath this pan. I'm going to get my dollar bill back when we're done. Another trick that you can do with induction cooktops, if you're doing frying, you know they always make a mess. The grease pops all over the place. Here's a trick for you. Take a couple of strips of paper towels, lay them down, put the pot on top of them. And when you get done, roll the paper towels, crumple them up, throw them away, and you are done cleaning. So with induction, about 95% of the energy actually goes into the pot to help boil your water and get your food hot. And it is quick. It also means that you do not have heat coming out, going into the house, and heating up your home as well. And look what we have. We are going. Some of the specific features of the Dacor cooktop. Touch control to initiate your actions. You have the power boost setting that we just turned on here. And if you noticed when we turn this one on, we get the blue light that comes on to give you the look of gas. They also have recipes built in. They tell you what to use and how much. And if you can't read, that's okay. They have videos. You can watch the pretty pictures. Remember, I told you I was going to get that dollar bill back when I got done. So let's go ahead and turn this thing off. I'm going to pull this hot pot off. I'm going to pick up my dollar bill and I'm going to put my hand where I just pulled that hot pot off of. This is Stephen Barnes from Norwest Luxury Appliances and Grills. We've seen a little bit about induction and Dacor appliances. Come see us down here at 4618 Randwick Drive. Like and subscribe. If you have any questions about induction, leave them in the comments.